I think that customs can really push like more thought into the game.
Oh yeah, absolutely. More matchup knowledge, and it gives the player a lot more options as far as, you know, how do I want to run my character? Not just, okay, I'm gonna run my character this way like everyone else does. But anyways, here we are, winners finals in melee. We have Tess versus the Minimouse. Now this is a matchup that we see very often.
Definitely.
Losers finals, no matter who loses here, is a matchup we're not going to see very often.
Right.
Tess, or Thor, kind of a surprise to make top 3 of this tournament. But just, you know, it's a really good person to play friends leagues with. I've played friends leagues with him in the past. Not any time this tournament except if you're running it, but just, he's a pretty good guy.
Now, is he from Tech or?
Nope, he is from around here.
Marquette?
Yep.
Student? Okay, yeah, so I've known about the Marquette Smash group for some time now. My nephew's teacher has a son that's in the Marquette Smash group, and that's how he found out about it. And I think it'd be great to have more of the Marquette Smash group come to NMU,
Yeah.
so that everybody can improve at once. I mean,
Yeah, absolutely.
it's hard to improve, especially you know, you see this match all the time. They're just learning each other's play style.
Yeah. You're not really learning how to play. I mean, you're learning how to play Marth, learning how to play Fox to a certain extent, but when you play the same person over and over again, you're really just more learning that person.
Yeah.
You know, not every person in the world plays Marth like aminimouse. Not every person in the world plays Fox like Tess.
Yeah.
It's more than one way to play a character.
So.
But anyway, yeah. we
Yeah.
Right.
Anyways.
This is actually a really cool game because we're gonna see aminimouse take that stock. FD,
Nice.
a really good stage for both of these characters.
Yes.
Marth can pull some insane combos on spacies on FD.
Chain grabs.
Marth also has, or I'm sorry, Fox also has a lot of tools that he can utilize on the stage, such as wave shining across the stage.
Yes, especially against Marth.
Smash DI properly.
I mean, you know, Mini really has to keep an eye out for. Oh.
Almost gets the 10 combo. Not quite though.
He probably could have got it if he jumped
nice
forward.
reaction with the down tilt.
Yes.
Just making sure that he doesn't get back on that D.
Using lasers to build up some damage.
Oh, reads them. I was gonna shields it. Hey, hey,
let's go.
Hey. Oh, up air, not quite, but follows it up with an up smash. Minimouse probably should have done something there and going back to make sure that he didn't get hit by that up smash, because that's one of Fox's best kill teams on this stage.
Right. Oh, that's dash dances. So, Tess.
Are we seeing game 1 of Minimouse maybe?
I'm thinking so, but sometimes Tess can just clutch it out.
This is getting really close.
We got a shield stalemate.
Win this. This is a really good game.
Forward smash.
Ooh, get the soft hit of that forward smash. That was not what he wanted.
No, a tipper would have just.
Okay, gets a grab though. Is unable to follow it up with the forward smash because he's at too high of percent.
Nice nair, and forward smash is going to do it.
And that's going to take game 1, Minimouse. And we're going to Fox Stadium.
Just gotta wait for that fire stage.
Game 1, yeah. Game 1 certainly well played by Minimouse. He made sure that Tess didn't have any options and took that game from him.
Oh, Mini took that. Okay.
Oh, doesn't quite follow it up.
Nice
combo,
jab reset though. Tilt back in. Oh, If you waited a little bit longer, that probably would have worked. Nice short phantasm. Tess definitely knows how to recover, and that's a great thing, especially facing against a Marth.
Oh, absolutely.
Because Marth can just poke you.
Yeah, Marth has such great stage utilization tools with poke.
So we saw an up smash taking the first stock.
Oh,
Nice.
he's able to get back on stage. That was a big recovery for Bob, because this means now that oh, okay, he's gonna he is gonna come over. Probably not the best decision by Tetsutura. Probably should have just waited for the stage transition to time itself out.
I mean, maybe he wanted to get Mini over to the.
Another thing that aminimouse really has to be careful about here, he's got to make sure he doesn't get stuck by that tree. Because if he gets stuck by that tree, then Fox will just keep shining if he does.
Yeah.
But as you see that stage transition, he's not gonna have to worry about that. Oh, such a smart recovery by Tetsutura to make sure that he doesn't get hit by that forward or that neutral beam. I always get forward smash and neutral beam mixed up because they look so similar.
Yeah. So what's really nice about Marth against Space is he can chain grab with up throw. He has enough space in the middle to do so, but if he's under a platform, he can up throw and then up tilt, and then he can just follow up the mat. Ooh, that will do it.
Oh,
but
that's
SDing at the
SD by
same
Tess.
time.
Now, aminimouse has a chance to capitalize here to make sure that, you know, he takes advantage of this SD. And as we can see, gets stuck under Pokemon Stadium.
I don't know if that was too smart. Oh,
He needs to get out of there.
oh,
Nope.
it's not gonna happen. Oh, if he messes up once,
Avoid to get up. That was really
that was
good,
an
though.
easy 90, 100%.
And that's gonna be game. Because he can't come back from that. So, game 2 is gonna go with Tess. That was a really good reaction, though, to make sure that, you know, I'm gonna get you, make sure you stay stuck in the tree, even though you try to get up attack.
Ooh, that almost became a stock. He trill shined and then went off the stage to shine him again, but luckily Marth automatically grabbed the ledge, giving him invincibility. Ooh.
Oh,
A regular
very
get
smart.
up to down smash? That's
Now, something I noticed aminimouse doing, which I think is really helping him, is he makes sure to kind of take a minute to like decide what Tess is gonna do when he attacks first before actually going forward to attack him. Because if he gets hit by Fox's get up is gonna make sure that Fox has a follow up. Ooh, but we see a Randy forward smash there, and luckily he doesn't get punished for that.
I think he was far enough away that if the worst case scenario, Tess could have invincible ledge dash up and shine.
Yeah.
But I think he was just far away enough that
Oh, such an attempt at a good recovery by aminimouse. But unfortunately, Tess made sure that he had all options covered. Oh!
oh
We have... I'm not sure what happened there. I think it was
they're
an
gonna
accidental Battlefield 3 stocks each, I think is what they're doing. I don't know
Yeah,
what happened there. I
okay.
think one of them accidentally
Tess
thought the game was over or something.
yeah.
I mean, it kind of happens when you're like in the middle of the game. Understandable. It was good on them for both figuring out a good solution at the time.
At least the gentleman to go
Oh,
back.
react to the... I don't know why Tess toward him. Maybe hoping that he didn't think that he would do that. That's something that aminimouse is really good at doing. I was gonna say before they ended the game. really good at just making sure that he knows like what Tess is gonna do, when he's gonna do it, and how he's gonna react when he
Nice.
does it.
Oh,
Oh.
nice.
Okay, didn't take his jump. I thought maybe he did. I was wrong. Oh, doesn't quite get there, unfortunately. Even if he would have got there, both Fox could shine spike.
Right.
Oh,
Nice up air.
up air. It
Forward
worked out,
smash.
but maybe not the most optimal launch. And I was thinking maybe a dare.
Right.
He was just over that ledge where they just get over there.
Yeah, so Battlefield has nice low ledges or platforms where you can just up tilt and it covers so much of the platform.
Oh, up tilt's huge for
Yeah.
Marth on the 3.
It's ridiculous.
It's even bigger on Yoshi's.
Yeah. Marth is really nice grab up to or up there. Yeah. I don't know why Tess didn't up B there. I wouldn't have done that. But you just gonna up smash.
Wow. Alright. So we're at 1 stock apiece in game 3. That's actually a pretty game for either of the team.
Oh,
We got Tess there with a really good combo.
nice, easy 50%. And still capitalizing off of it.
But if anybody else can get grab or something, yep, there's grab. Now, aminimouse is going to get the percent too.
My goodness.
Marth up throw, in my opinion, one of the best moves in this game.
Definitely.
I'd say it's either Fox, Velcro, Shine, or Marth up throw.
It's gonna be really. Oh, I don't know why you didn't camp that way.
Oh, goes for the second up air, doesn't quite get it. Aminimouse has to make sure, because up air will kill
Up
right
smash.
now, one with up smash.
Nice nair. Oh, that side beat saved
Not
him.
quite. Tess maybe gone for a Shine there.
Oh, nair.
Oh,
Just killing.
melee teased him a little bit there. Teased me too. I thought for sure you could get that.
Should have decamped.
And we got game 4 going straight back to Battlefield.
It's interesting. Because,
I mean, it's like, as much as I would love to say a Minimouse on Yoshi's story, that stage could also work against him. So maybe he just likes the way Battlefield is.
right.
I don't really think, when it comes to Fox, there's no, like, real, like, right answer, besides maybe he'll pick PS1. But other than that, there's not really any stage that I can think of off the top of my head that's, like, a wrong answer to Fox.
So. Oh,
Oh,
Battlefield.
that's a big SD, unfortunately. That's gonna be really hard to come back from Minimouse.
Very hard. And Tess is just making all the right choices right now.
Yeah, I mean, as long as Tess just keeps using Shine and keep getting up throw kill conversions like he has.
See, Mini can come back. It's very possible. One of Marth's strongest suits is his gimping ability.
We can do 4 stuff.
It's iffy. It's Tess has to really.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. He
Get double up air.
going at it.
And that's
Forward
the 4
stock.
stock. Tess is going to take that 3-1 to knock the Minimouse into losers.